10th day of April 2020 official press release. In cognizance of the novel of the surgeon dreaded ailment known as COVID-19, that is coronavirus. Indeed, the pandemic has virtually hit every corner of the universe, although it was first diffused in Wuhan city of Chinese nation and degenerate to the other part of the world, prompting death, detriments, and fear. In Nigeria, the COVID-19 as at this moment has recorded about 305 cases in totality, with 7 deaths and 58 discharged from the quarantine centers. These figures, no doubt, proves that Nigeria cuddles an incidental case of the COVID-19 pandemic, unlike US, UK, Italy, Spain, Brazil, France, Iran, Korea, Japan, and China at the initial stage, just to mention but few nations. Taking on in this subject of the coronavirus, I particularly makes an order for the government and the governors on the following. 1. Mandatory isolation of the citizens must not be allowed to surpass 2 weeks given by the federal and state government due to hunger and depression. 2. Government should release all the definitely seized commodities, mostly rice and other foods, and share them to the citizens at this time of famine caused by lockdown. 3. Government should strip off all the imported duties, levies, and taxes imposed on the locally made medical equipment, medicines, and edibles so that such can be available for the public at this time of recession. 4. Government should enroll all the medical practitioners who are qualified and willing to join force in fighting against coronavirus and get them heavily paid and evenly. 5. Government should set up a formidable force to regulate the inflation of the essential commodities sold in the foodstuff market within the country to curb inflation and also cause drastically deflation from normal price as long as the sellers breaks even. 6. In order to alleviate the suffering of the people, government should disburse substantial amount of money in cash and other related materials to the citizens per capita. In such a manner, it will be free from fraud and should be in orderliness. 7. Shutdown of hospitalities like hotels, that is lodging accommodation, is a baseless action instigated by the ignorance of the police force who do not have the knowledge of what such a hospitality places means, and also following the closure of the interstate borders, the transit persons and goods must or may have to check in a hotel lodge for comfort and safety, whereas a hotel room is an isolation place on its own, and I urge the government to put a redress on this with immediate effect, because that is seen as an oversight function by the Nigerian police force. 8. As long as the COVID-19 is still effective, closure of borders must be maintained in order to mitigate and contain the pandemic from one state to the other, and people of each state must be allowed to go their normal businesses in the state. Secondly, on this, borders shall be allowed to open when the government provides functioning diagnosing gadgets and stations doctors to instantly check the interstate commuters. 9. A mandatory law shall be enforced that people must put on respiratory masks whenever at public places. 10. Citizens shall abstain from adhering and dissemination of adulterated news and doctoring of videos concerning the coronavirus, for that sends a very wrong signal, and such an untrue information is even more dangerous than coronavirus itself. Finally, medicinal agents like hand sanitizers, soap, water, detergent, respiratory masks, hand gloves, spirits, etc. shall be made a commonly and affordable productivity in the nation. This is my humble submission to the Nigeria and to the Nigerians. I remain your brother, Honorable Prince O.J. Ifejika, Okoisi Ezenia. Stay safe. Thanks very much.